Automating lead assignment in Salesforce can save you time, improve efficiency, and ensure that your sales team is always focused on the right leads at the right time. In this quick video, we're going to dive straight into how you can automate this process in Salesforce so your team can stay productive without the manual work. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to set up lead automation in Salesforce. Now, before we get started, you can use Salesforce for free and get exclusive bonuses by checking out the link in the description below. Make sure to stick around till the end because I've got something extra that will take your Salesforce experience to the next level. The first thing you need to know about automating lead assignment in Salesforce is setting up a lead assignment rule. This is the core feature that determines how leads are assigned automatically based on certain criteria you set up, like geography, lead source, or even the volume of leads. You can create multiple rules, but it's crucial to set the right conditions so that leads are routed to the appropriate sales rep or team. Once you've set the criteria, you'll be good to go. Next thing, you'll need to assign the rule to a specific lead record type. Salesforce has a few different types, and each one can have its own unique rules. It's important to know which record type your lead falls under so that the right rule applies to it. For example, if you're dealing with B2B leads and B2C leads, you may want to set different rules for each type, ensuring that each lead gets the attention it deserves. The third thing to keep in mind is the lead assignment email alerts. Once a lead is assigned to a sales rep, you can set up an email alert to notify the assigned rep. This keeps everyone in the loop and ensures that no leads fall through the cracks. It's a small but crucial step that helps maintain workflow continuity and prevents missed opportunities. Now, the fourth thing is using Salesforce's automation tools like Process Builder or Flow to enhance your lead assignment rules even further. For instance, Process Builder lets you automate more complex workflows and can trigger lead assignments based on specific field updates, time-based actions, or other events. You can really customize how leads get assigned depending on how your sales process works. This will give you even more flexibility and efficiency when managing your leads. Next, make sure you're testing the lead assignment rules to ensure that everything works as expected. Salesforce allows you to test out your lead assignment process with sample data to verify that the right leads are being assigned under the right conditions. This step is crucial to avoid any unexpected issues after going live with the rules. The final thing to keep in mind is that lead assignment automation should be regularly reviewed and optimized. Over time, as your sales process changes, your lead assignment rules might need to be tweaked. Make sure you're constantly monitoring how your automation is performing and adjust as necessary to keep it in line with your business needs. And just to remind you, as a bonus, you can use Salesforce completely free from the link below and gain access to exclusive features that will make managing your leads even easier. If you want to set up lead assignment in Salesforce and get the most out of this tool, the link below will give you access to an extended free trial, so you can start automating your lead assignments today and stay ahead of the game. Thanks for watching.